Hey guys, welcome to our channel Chill on YouTube. With the number of technological devices available to purchase expanding so rapidly, you might find it difficult to find the right gadget to buy as a gift for that special man or woman in your life. After all, you can easily opt for popular devices like gaming consoles, headphones, or HD screens. But there are also less mainstream gadgets out there that can go a long way in helping people be more productive, get work done more easily, or just have a better time during the day. No matter how many chicken dinners you might be gobbled down while playing PUBG, I'm sure you wish you had something to make the gaming experience more immersive and at the same time give you that competitive edge over your enemies. No matter how good you get twitching your fingers on the mobile screen, a physical button and a joystick will always give a player an upper hand while playing mobile games. So today, in this video, we're going to share with you the 7 best gaming gadgets you wish you had. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. You guys will be shocked to see the 3rd gadget on the list. Number 7. PUBG Triggers. This accessory burst into the scene as soon as PUBG became a rage in smartphone gaming world. Mobile phone triggers act as attachments that you can fix to the top of your smartphone while playing games, especially first-person shooter games like Modern Combat, Nova, and PUBG. The triggers come in contact with only the top of the mobile display, which is where you can customize your game's controls and position the shooting buttons. This way, you can also avoid all those misfires you have during the game. Triggers only provide assistance for one button, while for the other functions and commands, you have to depend on the in-display options. Number 6. Smartphone Water Cooler. Fujitsu has developed an approach to cooling smartphones that it claims can achieve 5 times greater heat transfer than metal or graphite sheets. One of the side effects of packing smartphones with even more powerful components into smaller spaces is heat, which can be uncomfortable for the user and cause wear and tear on the components. The conventional method of managing the excess heat generated by components in a smartphone has been to install sheets of metal or graphite with relatively high thermal conductivity. But the company claims that the thermal conductivity properties of these materials have reached their limit. Fujitsu's answer to this is the Loop Heat Pipe, a thin heat transfer device filled with a liquid coolant that works to move heat away from the hot components towards a cooler part of the device. Number 5. Mobile Gaming Handle and Trigger Combo. A mobile handle grip is one step up from adding a trigger to your smartphone. The handle provides that extra grip in a way that transforms your smartphone into a gaming controller with a screen. This is a great way to enjoy the game and also not worry about the phone slipping out of your hand or your palm covering the smartphone, Grandpa. Just kidding. Though this may seem like a great accessory to have, it might not suit people with small hands, as some functions on the screen might become inaccessible to your fingers if you decide to use the handle. Number 4. The Racing Cube. After years of drooling over expensive racing seams, we just couldn't hold in our excitement when we found out about the newly founded company called FaceTech and its new product, the Racing Cube. The Racing Cube works with SimTools 2.0 professional software, and it's compatible with over 50 racing titles. These include some of our favorite titles like Assetto Corsa, Project Cars, and the Need for Speed series, iRacing, Dirt 3, and many more. All the player needs to do is install the SimTools 2.0 software and start racing. Vroom! Danish-based Tommy Frank and Stefan Henson of FaceTech set out to produce an affordable motion platform for racing games that is both compact and cheap without compromising the experience. Now that the prototype of the Racing Cube is ready and has been tested intensively for the past 6 months, the goal to manufacture a high-performance motion platform at a fraction of the cost of other motion simulators is here. This has led to the creation of a unique and very good performance-price ratio, compact-sized motor sim featuring 360 degrees of rotation, the adjustable center of rotation, and an optional sway and surge function. Number 3. GameSir X1 BATTLEDOCK. If you've ever wanted to easily connect a USB keyboard and or mouse to your smartphone, GameSir X1 BattleDock may be for you. The dock holds your phone at an angle and offers 2 USB ports for USB input devices, with the phone and the dock communicating over Bluetooth. As the name implies, the system is apparently designed for gamers, but others might find it useful too. The manufacturer claims the dock supports the most common FPS and Battle Royale games such as PUBG Mobile, Rules of Survival, Knives Out, Dead Trigger 2, Modern Combat 5, and more. You can also customize keyboard buttons, create shortcuts for buttons combinations, auto fire, and one-click macro. Number 2. Lexip. Lexip is the world's first gaming mouse designated to be an all-in-one solution for your gaming needs across all types of games. It's a high-performance gaming mouse that is intuitive, precise, and fast in all your favorite games. By adding a joystick on the inner side of the mouse and putting the whole mouse on a pivot without restricting normal movement, you can do anything with just one hand. While combining maneuvers, combating people, or controlling your vehicle, you can now either drink your coffee or take the opportunity to do even more actions with your free hand. The first joystick is internal and controlled by tilting the mouse shell. Simply tilt your mouse shell up, down, left, or right to control a variety of moves. The second joystick is controlled by your thumb, giving you ample customization, premium ergonomics, and a truly three-dimensional gaming experience without ever needing to add additional commands, keys, or shortcuts. Oh, and one last thing, this device features a premium gaming laser sensor, true mechanical joysticks, and a design that promotes all-day comfort. Number 1. Dygma Raise Advanced Keyboard. Dygma Raise was born with the goal of enabling gamers to surpass their limits and reach their maximum potential. That's why it's the gaming keyboard with the best build quality, design, and features in the market. It's an ergonomic gaming keyboard designed to increase performance, health, and comfort. Although this keyboard won't give you a six-pack, it won't force your wrist to bend towards the pinky side of your hand. Rotating Raise's halves lets you keep your wrist at a natural angle, decreasing pressure and strain over time. You can also adjust the width between the two halves, placing them in front of your shoulders to reduce internal shoulder rotation. Its configuration software allows you to create different layouts and toggle instantly between them. Every key in every layout is remappable and can be configured as a macro. Plus, any key can have special behaviors if you tap once, several times, or hold it. So that's the end of this video, 7 top gaming gadget inventions, PUBG Mobile. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video. And don't forget, hit that bell icon to check out more interesting videos made just for you.